Alright you guys, well, I tried to work out, I couldn't. My back is in a lot of pain today. I took some pills, hopefully that brings the inflammation down. But I feel like this is a perfect opportunity to review the Helimix protein or shaker bottle. This is crazy. I read a lot of reviews on it. I've heard it's really good. It's one of the best shaker cups. I haven't used it yet, but all it is literally this. It's so crazy. Check it. There's no ball, there's no screen. It's just a spiral. So since I didn't get a good workout in, I'm not gonna be using the Weightbolic Alpha. And since I'm gonna go fishing, I obviously don't eat while I'm fishing, because I'm fishing. So I'm gonna review the Helimix as well as the Sustain Blend by GNC. Let's see. Sustain Blend by GNC, and it is strawberry milkshake flavored. This is a meal replacement, and the big reason why I wanted to try this is because I wanted to see the actual effect of the sustained release, right? So right here it says that it releases throughout the 7 hours. So it's supposed to keep you full. So in 7 hours, if I feel hungry throughout these 7 hours, I'll let you guys know. And yeah, so let's get this started. Directions. Mix 1 scoop in 6 to 8 fluid ounces of cold water. So let's fill this up with 8 fluid ounces of cold water. So there goes 8 ounces of water right there. Now let's open this bad boy up. Alright, cool. The scoop is right at the top. I don't have to go digging for it. So there's a well-rounded scoop right there. And let's see if this freaking shaker cup works. I don't know how the heck it works, but we'll see how it goes. It says you just have to shake it 4 times and it's gonna work. And alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's give it a little bit more shakes, but honestly that looks like it's blended in pretty well. Alright, let's give it a little bit more shakes and oh man, that's crazy. I think that actually worked. Okay, it's pretty good. Taste test, pretty good, to be honest. That's so crazy. This blended it way better than the other blender bottle that I have, and that has the ball in it. Wow, that's crazy, dude. I do not know how this thing works. It's magic. I definitely recommend this. I will link this bottle in the description. It will be an affiliate link, so I'll get a kickback, and obviously that helps out the channel. But I definitely recommend this Helimix bottle. It's $20, so it's not too bad, and man, it's dope. But anyways, I'll catch you guys out when I hit the water. Alright y'all, so I'm here at Yellow Creek. The water's super low, so I'm not even gonna launch here. I'm literally just here for some bait. I like coming here because I know I could catch bait here easily. And all I gotta do is put a piece of worm on the hook and cast it out, and boom, there's a freaking bluegill on the line, or a freshwater drum or something. Guys, bait number 1 already. Not even 5 minutes in. Nice bluegill. Alright, and I still got my worm in here. Alright, let's get some more. Yeah. I don't need live bait, so I'm gonna just... Oh, look at that, bait number 2 already. They're loaded up today, huh? Check that out. Bait number 2, literally 5 seconds in. I'm telling you, man, this spot is good for bait. I don't know how many baits I want to get, but cast this out again. All right, you guys, I caught enough bluegills to get me started for the day. So time to head to Cross Creeks. All right, you guys, I might look super crazy with my freaking hair, but whatever. We are here at Cross Creeks and there's really nobody here. And it's super freaking windy. That's another thing that sucks. I don't know much about this place. Hopefully on Fishbrain the depths are correct, because on Fishbrain you can see the depths that they have logged on there, but I don't think they're correct all the time. And then with the water being a little low, I don't know if that has anything to do with the depths not being correct. But anyway, we're gonna get set up. We're gonna try for bass and some catfish, and I think I seen on Fishbrain that there's some crappie in here. If we catch some crappie, we're definitely gonna keep them and do a catch, clean, cook with them. So I'm gonna get set up and I'll see you guys out in the water. All right, guys, well, this is gonna be the first video of you guys seeing me use my kayak, but this is not gonna be the first time of me using my kayak. It's gonna be the second time. So but I know how this kayak is and it's really good. I like it way better than the other one. Plus I can stand up on this and it's super stable, not like the other one. The other one was super tippy. Like it felt like I was gonna tip over on that thing. Look at all those little minnows. But let's see, I don't even know where to start. It's a pretty big area. But you know what, let's get these rods out the freaking way. How about that? Alright, I got all baits in the water. So 15 minutes if I don't get anything. I'm moving towards that way, because over there ain't nothing over there but broken dreams. So anyways, well, I think this is a good opportunity to talk about my direction in the channel. So I have a few questions for you guys, and I'm really hoping you guys answer in the comments. But as you guys seen in my last video, I really want to, since fishing has been super slow, I want to start expanding to my fitness, right? So my question is, do you guys mind, like this video right now, do you guys mind me combining both fitness plus my fishing, or should I just do one video for each section? Let me know in the comments. I really want to know your opinion. And I really hope that I get some answers, because I don't know which direction I should take. But this literally, fishing is my passion. Fitness is something that I use to help me feel better about myself, you know? So both of these things are both of my passions, and if I could implement both in my channel, that'll be amazing. But I just want to know if you guys would rather see a fitness video separate from a fishing video, or do you guys mind it being both together? Just let me know in the comments, and I'll definitely be taking that into consideration. Well guys, couldn't make it happen today, but it was still fun. I found a new spot where there's not a lot of current and it's super deep. So we had one bite at that area, and hopefully next time I go out we'll have a lot more luck there. I'm gonna spend, I was only there for like an hour and a half maybe. So I'm gonna stop wasting my time in these little in these creeks and all these other places. I'm gonna just head to the big river, and I think that's where all the fish are right now because of how low the water is. I've been talking to everybody that I've seen today, and none of them has had any luck, as well as they're all surprised on how low the water's been. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video anyway. And oh, here's an update on the Sustain blend. It kept me full all day. So it actually really works. I'm finally eating now. My wife made some pasta thing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You big head. What's wrong with you, boy?
Nothing, but hi guys.
Say bye.
Bye. Bye. Oh yeah, I forgot. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Say bye to the camera. Are you gonna die?
Hi. Hi. After all, hit the subscribe button. After all.
Subscribe or I'm gonna haunt you.
Subscribe.
All right, you guys have a good night.